Yeah, my name is Nur Aimi Maisara binti Muhammad Rahimi, and I will be talking about angiosperm. Okay, angiosperm refers to plants that form seed within the fruit and is also produce flowers. It also called as flowering plant. They are also the largest and most diverse group within the kingdom Plantae, with about 300,000 species. Angiosperms represent approximately 80% of all known living green plants. For example, bougainvillea, that is next to me. Okay, I will explain in detail about bougainvillea. Bougainvillea is a vibrant flowering plant native to South America, commonly found in tropical and subtropical regions. It is known for its strikingly colorful bracts, which are often mistaken for petals. These bracts come in shades of pink, purple, red, orange, and white, while the actual flowers are small and typically white or yellow. Bougainvillea belongs to the kingdom Plantae, classifying it as plant within the clade of angiosperms, which are flowering plants. It further falls under the clade of eudicots, with a more specific classification in the core eudicot. The order Caryophyllus encompasses this genus, placing it within the Nyctaegenaceae family, commonly known as the 4 o'clock family. The genus Bougainvillea includes several species such as Bougainvillea glabra, Bougainvillea spectabilis, and Bougainvillea peruviana. These species are often cultivated for ornamental use due to their vibrant bracts and hardy nature, especially in tropical and subtropical climates. The life cycle of bougainvillea begins with seed germination, requiring warm temperatures and well-drained soil. After germination, the plant enters a vegetative phase, growing leaves, stems, and roots, eventually maturing into a shrub or vine. Once mature, bougainvillea produce colorful bracts surrounding small flowers, attracting pollinators for reproduction. After pollination, seeds form, mature, and are dispersed, allowing new plants to grow. In colder or dry conditions, the plant may enter dormancy, conserving energy until favorable condition returns. As a perennial, bougainvillea can repeat this cycle for many years, especially in warm climates. Okay, I will talk about the medical value we can find in bougainvillea. Research has indicated that bougainvillea extracts may help regulate blood sugar levels. Some studies on animals show that it can lower blood glucose levels, making it potentially useful in managing diabetes. This effect is likely due to its ability to stimulate insulin production or enhance glucose metabolism. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Fatmat Azhagasin, and for the bio assignment 1, today I will be talking about mosses. So mosses, as you can see from here, mosses are small non-vascular plants that are typically grown in dense green clumps. As you can see, and it grows in patches and in spots like that. And they don't have the real roots or vascular tissues to transport water flow, so they just absorb the water from the leaves, as you can see from that. And they thrive in moist areas like forests or wetlands. You can see from down there, it's really moist, so it is growing easily there. So mosses belong to the division Biophyta within the kingdom Plantae. The most common mosses are classified into class by Brachyzoidea, with many families like Bioxaceae and Phymaceae, Brachycae, and well-known genera such as Spicum and Phytocrium and Barium. So mosses are reproduced in two phases. One is genotype. This is the green leafy part of the mosses that you can typically see. It produces reproductive structures, endocardia for sperms and endocardia for eggs. In wet conditions, sperms swim to fertilize the eggs. The fertilized eggs grows into sporophyte, a stalk that produces spores. These spores are released and dispersed by the wind. When they land in a substitute environment, they germinate into a new genotype and starting the cycle over again. Medical values. Some mosses, most species, particularly sphagnum moss, have been used in traditional medicine as a wound dressing due to their absorbent and mildly antiseptic properties. During the World War I, sphagnum was used as a natural bandage for its ability to absorb fluids and prevent infections. Mosses themselves are not harmful for the humans, but their dense mats can sometimes harbor fungi, bacteria, or mold in humid environments, which can pose a high health risk if unchecked in particular buildings. In summary, these mosses are simply non-vascular plants that play an important ecological role, particularly in nutrient the cycle. They are also have historical uses in medicine, especially for absorbent properties. That's all.
Squirrels are small to medium-sized rodents known for their bushy tails and agility. They belong to the family Sicaridia and are native to various parts of the world, adapting to different environments from the forest to urban areas. There are many species, including the eastern gray squirrel and red squirrel. Squirrels play an essential ecological role by aiding in seed dispersal, which helps forests regenerate. Squirrels live in habitats like forests, parks, and grasslands. They typically give birth to 2 to 6 young, which grow rapidly and leave the nest after about 10 to 12 weeks. Most squirrels reach sexual maturity in under a year, with a typical lifespan of 6 to 12 years in the wild. In science, squirrels are important for neurological research, especially because of their ability to hibernate and withstand extreme temperatures. This potential implications for human medication conditions like stroke and hypothermia. However, squirrels can carry diseases, some of which can spread to humans. These include Lyme disease transmitted through ticks and bacterial infections like tularemia and leptospirosis. In certain areas, ground squirrels can carry fleas infected with the plague bacterium. While they're mostly harmless, their role in disease transmission makes them important in epidemiological studies. Overall, squirrels are more than just familiar sights in parks. They have significant roles in ecosystems, scientific research, and occasionally public health.
Hi, my name is Helwana binti Ibrahim, and I will be talking about Moporitana. Moporitana is a breathtaking butterfly species that is known for its vivid blue wings that is found in the Central and South America. It is one of the most visually striking members of the Morpho genus. Its intercoloration is not due to the pigmentation, but rather is the microscopic structure of its wing that reflect light, giving the butterfly a shimmering structure appearance. Morporitana is an insect from the animal kingdom Animalia. It belongs to the phylum Arthropoda, which include creatures with exoskeleton and jointed legs. In the class Insecta, is it part of the order Lepidoptera, which encompass butterflies and moths. Is it classified within the family Nymphelide, known as brush-footed butterflies? The genus Morpho includes large, colorful butterflies, with Morporitana being notable for its brilliant indensant blue wings. Morporitana is native to the tropical rainforests of South and Central America, particularly in countries like Brazil, Peru, and Colombia. These butterflies are typically found in the canopy layer of the rainforest, where they have ample access to sunlight and trees that provide food and shelter. They often feed on fermenting fruit, tree sap, and sometimes even decomposing animals. During their flight, their brilliant blue wings, flash in the sunlight, making them visible from great distance. As you can see from here, this is their looks, how their appearance looks like. Yeah. The life cycle of Morporitana begins when the female butterfly lays egg on the host plant. These eggs soon hatch into caterpillars which feed into the plant leaf. The caterpillars grow quickly, shedding their skin several times as they increase in size. After reaching full size, the caterpillar forms a chrysalis, entering the pupal stage. Inside the chrysalis, it undergoes metamorphosis, transforming into an adult butterfly. Once fully developed, the adult butterfly emerged, expanding its wing before flying off to the feed and reproduce, starting the life cycle anew. The lifespan of the Morphoretina as an adult butterfly is relatively short, usually just a few weeks, during which they must mate and lay eggs to continue their species life cycle. Morphoretina itself does not associate with any significant medical value or pathogenic microbes. In terms of health risk, the Morphoretina does not pose a danger to humans, as neither the larva nor the adult butterfly is harmful or venomous. Unlike some other caterpillars, it does not have spine or toxin that can irritate the skin.
Hi, my name is Rohala Taishi binti Muhammad Rizwai, and I will be talking about macaw. The macaw is a large, colorful parrot known for its bright feathers and strong curved beak. Native to Central and South America, they are highly social and intelligent, often found in rainforests and savannas. They are excellent mimics and can learn how to imitate human speech. Other than that, they are also play an important role in the ecosystem by eating fruits and nuts and also helping with seed dispersal. Unfortunately, most of the species are at risk because of the habitat destruction and also illegal pet trade. Macaws belong to the domain Eukarya, which includes all organisms with complex cells. They are part of kingdom Animalia, encompassing all animals. And the phylum Chordata, which includes all animals with a backbone. Macaws are classified under the class Aves, meaning they are bird, and also falls under the order Psittaciformes, which includes all parrots. Within this order, macaws belong to the family Psittacides and are specially categorized under the genus Ara. Macaws primarily inhabit tropical and subtropical regions and thrive in various environments. They are mostly found in the dense canopies of tropical rainforests in South and Central America, where they have access to plenty of foods and nesting sites. In addition to rainforests, they also inhabit in wooded areas and forest edges, allowing them to forage for plenty of fruits and nuts. Some species of macaws also adapting to open savannas habitat, where they search for fruits and seeds. Additionally, some certain macaw species can be found in swamp-based areas and also mangrove forests, taking advantage of diverse plant life. Overall, macaws prefer habitat with abundant trees for nesting, foraging, and socializing. The life cycle of macaw begins with reproduction, where the female lays 2 to 4 eggs after mating. These eggs are incubated for about 24 to 28 days. When the chick hatch, they are born blind and featherless, depending entirely on the parents for food and warmth. As nestling, they grow quickly, developing feathers and opening their eyes while still being cared for in the nest. At around 3 months old, they become fledgling. They need to fly, but still depending on their parents for food. After a few more months, they reach the juvenile stage and start becoming independent. Macaws start adulthood and sexual maturity between 4 to 7 years old, at which point they reproduce and begin the life cycle again. Macaws can live to 30 to 50 years old or more. Parrots, including macaw, have limited direct medical value in terms of human healthcare, but the study has contributed to certain areas of research, particularly in the field of neurology, aging, and behavior. Macaws are highly developed vocal learning abilities and also advanced cognitive skills, which make them valuable in studying brain functions related to memory,
learning and also speaking.